here is your starting order. Rex Frankie first, Brian Johnson second, Kurt Johnson third, Mojo fourth, Kenny Paxton fifth, Jacob Ward sixth, Alex Wolf seventh, Joshua Fitzwater eighth, Mark Clark ninth, and Dan Tiger 10th. We'll get everybody all sorted out here before we go to this one. This is Russell's Truck D-Main. All right, everybody's all sorted out. Looks like we got our marshals in place. Marshals ready. Drivers, go at the tone. Here we go, 13-5. We are off. Oh, it's tumbling down the back straight. There were people getting hung up right there. Oh, up in the center. Mojo getting tangled up there. Back going again, though. Looks like out front, that's going to be the yellow box truck down the front straightaway. Rex Frankie starting that top spot in third right now. Looks like Brian Johnson in the yellow and center black truck is your leader. Kenny Paxton and that green and black truck, yellow wheel in second. Rex Frankie all over the third right now. Rex in the red truck, Steve Nall with the Chilicothe Throphy. Kurt Johnson sitting in the fifth place spot, followed by Alex Wolf and Mojo. We're on over the yellow triple section. The battle for the second, third, and fourth place spot now. Whoa! Looks like Kenny Paxton makes a mistake. Kurt Johnson going to go on by. Rex Frankie makes the pass. Rex Frankie in second, Johnson the inside. Wheel to wheel down the front straight they go through the chicane. Rex Frankie down the back straightaway out in the red truck, moves up into the second place spot. Kurt Johnson in the third now. Kenny Paxton drops back to fifth position. Mojo jumping up into the fourth place spot. Mojo having a little bobble but gets back going again. Cheerleaders down the back stretch. There's Brian Johnson, 21.9 on that last one. Rex Frankie holds on to second right now. Followed by Kurt Johnson in the orange, yellow, and black truck. Oh, and Rex with the bobble. Rex back on your leaders right in front of him now. Your leader, Brian Johnson, has got Rex Frankie on his tail. Down the back stretch they go. Both drivers going to wrap up that number 5. First, second, third right there. Rex looking for the yellow and red on Brian Johnson. Brian going a little wide. Rex comes to the inside. The battle for the lead, ladies and gentlemen, down the front straight. Cruising to go. Brian Johnson makes a mistake. Rex goes for the ride. Rex Frankie is your leader. Brian Johnson now in second. Kurt Johnson in third. Rex Frankie out front now in the red truck, white wheels, yellow riding on the Chilicothe. Oh, Kurt Johnson going off the track. Right behind Kurt, you can catch in the green and black, and then the blue, white, and orange. Oh, Mojo followed by Alex Wolf, Mark Clark, Joshua Fitzwater, Dan Tiger, and Jacob Ward. 2:30 down, 2:30 to go, drivers. We are halfway through this one. Oh, big hit right there. I believe that was Dan Tiger just running. I can see the bar still from the back of his truck. Rex Frankie is still your leader right now. Your leader through the triple section, coming off the blue truck, getting to the rim, that is your leader. Oh, he's tangled up just a little right there. Makes a little wobble. And it looks like maybe Brian Johnson's still in that second place spot. Rex Frankie's around the 20.6. Brian Johnson giving 3 seconds back right now. Kenny Paxton is still in third, Mojo in fourth. Kurt Johnson drops the fifth with that bobble in the infield. Your leader, Rex Frankie, down the back stretch now. 1:40 to go, drivers. 1:40 to go. Frankie over the double triple section, working his way through traffic right now. Everybody gets going. The red truck down the front straight is your leader. Second place, Brian Johnson in the yellow checker black, charging hard right now. Kenny Paxton in the green and black truck, yellow wheels down the front straight. He's your third place driver. Followed by the white, orange, and blue truck, yellow and white wheels. That is Mojo in fourth. Kurt Johnson in the orange, yellow and black truck in his fifth. Fitzwater may have made the pass right there. As we start coming around, Rex Frankie right now coming on the 19.7. Brian Johnson turned around for lap number 12. Johnson with a 24 flat. Kenny Paxton all over the back. Paxton on the list. Johnson and Paxton right there. Paxton goes up. They bumped a little and makes that double. Paxton able to make the triple. Johnson not able to make the triple jump. Mojo now jumps into the third place spot. Ryan Johnson drops back and forth. Fitzwater in fifth. Johnson, Wolf, Hart, Tiger, and Ward rounded out your field. Rick Frankie still out front right now. 15 seconds left to go, drivers. 15 seconds left to go. Rick racing down the back stretch. We'll see just how big the lead got right now.
Yeah. Heads up, Rick. Johnny, please.
Time is expired. Keith Paxton, you're done. Alex Wolf, you're done. Mojo's going to be done when you cross the loop. Mark Clark, Brian Johnson, Dave Geiger, Rex, and two to finish. Everybody is now finished. What a race. Congratulations to Rick Frankie taking it to 35 versus Rick Paxton still takes second. Brian Johnson third. Mojo fourth. Joshua Fitzwater fifth.